Drippin' Saint Laurent, she got the perfect face. Thumbing through the deck of 52 and she the highest rank. She don't answer questions, she mysterious like
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ananya. If you're new here, please subscribe. So it's the 14th of November today and it's also my mom's birthday. So wish her in the comments. So we obviously had to celebrate this occasion and we're going to go out. We've decided to go to Khan Market, which is one of the most old and popular markets in Delhi. And after that, we're also planning to go to Lodi Garden and actually the Lodi colony, which is filled with a lot of graffiti and art. And we want to click some cool pictures there. So that's what today's day is going to be about. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. But first, let's cut the cake. And now we are heading towards Khan Market. So we've made it to the Khan Market. We've parked our car here and we're assuming kahin wahan pe hai. So let's go. I'm excited. It's a new place. But first, let me show you my OOTD because why not? So Khan Market is one of the most popular places to shop and chill. It is a U-shaped shopping destination and this neighborhood is a storehouse of the city's most prestigious designer boutiques, bookstores, restaurants, home furnishing stores and basically everything you can think of, and is also filled with a range of cafes, restaurants, bakeries and street food corners including Big Chill and Khan Chacha. So clearly there's a lot to explore and you can find pretty much anything and everything here. So since Khan Market lies in the more posh area of Delhi, it is one of the more expensive shopping hoods, but still it has one of the best shopping and eating options in Delhi. Obviously there are a lot of tapped options here and we're exploring each of them. All of them look so amazing, but we'll finally just go and sit in one. So we finally chosen the Blue Door Cafe. So once you enter the cafe, the first thing you see is a huge wine display and it is filled with framed art all around. But yes, the cafe is really tiny. The space feels very tight and since it was really crowded, it also made it noisy. This cafe serves authentic European cuisine and it also has a lot of vegan and gluten-free options. So I ordered savory crepes and let's try this out. Something different but pretty good. And since winters are here, we had to eat starfruit and sweet potato. I have seen a lot of comments from you guys that you are also working hard to get into such good colleges, and for that your term one preparation has to be extremely good. And MCQ questions practice karte hue, I'm sure you guys must be facing a lot of doubts, but you guys don't need to worry because Unacademy has got their comprehensive preparation package. In this you can ask your doubts using Ask a Doubt feature and you can practice MCQ questions using Emerge Mega Mock board exams, and if you top these mock tests you can win prizes up to 50 lakhs, and top rankers will get a MacBook Air, iPad Pro, OnePlus 9, iPhone 12, and iske saath you'll also be getting headphones and Unacademy branded trophies and goodies. And this sounds pretty amazing to me. What do you guys think? This mock test is being held from the 27th to 30th of November. It is for the classes 10 and 12. The live test begins from 5 PM and as you can see on the screen, these are the subjects the mock tests are held for. Using the Unacademy's Ask a Doubt feature, you can ask unlimited doubts 24/7, and if you guys ask 10 doubts, then you'll get 15 days ka Unacademy Plus subscription for free, and that's awesome, right? This offer is valid for the CBSE class 6 to 12, Maharashtra Board, IIT JEE and NEET Foundation, and NTSE categories as well. And it's extremely easy to use the Ask a Doubt feature. Simply go to that feature, click an image of your doubt and select the subject of the doubt and bas tumhe answer instantly mil jayega. And I don't think you guys will get a better opportunity to practice for your board exams and also hold chances to win such amazing prizes. The link is in the description. Definitely check it out and simply use my code Ananya21 to enroll for free. And you can also use the same code Ananya21 on any of Unacademy subscriptions to get a 10% off. And then we came across this hashtag New Delhi in Khan Market itself. So we've made it to the Lodi Art District and we can see a few wall arts here. Not sure if this is it and there's more to explore. But nonetheless, all these wall arts look so beautiful. It's very well done. Although the maintenance is not so good because you can see there are a few cracks, etc. But that's inevitable. But yeah, these are pretty cool. The paintings are just wow. The Lodi Art District is India's first ever open-air art district where 25 street artists from India as well as around the world came together to paint the rather boring walls and create a masterpiece. As you can see over here, there are a bunch of artworks that are based on different topics and inspired from different things. Each one of them has a different meaning. While one of them depicts women's rights, the other one depicts a scene from the Indian mythology. And since all of these artworks are situated in different lanes, this beauty is best observed in person. So you should definitely take out some time and take a stroll here. So make sure to keep your cameras charged and wear your most comfortable shoes because there's a lot to see here and you might just want to keep walking. Also, if you plan to come by metro, the JLN Stadium metro station located on the Violet line is the closest. So we've covered pretty much the entire Lodi Colony Art District. It starts from the block number 14 to 17 and the paintings are pretty realistic and cool. And like people are getting done professional photo shoots here with like big cameras and outfits and everything's on point. So this is really a cool place if you want to take a lot of pictures, videos, make reels and all of that. And yeah, the place we are at last is the Mithai Wala corner. So now we've come to the Bengali market and also like हम Lodi Garden वाले area में बहुत घूम गए हैं. So I think it's time for a snack break. We are probably just going to Nathu's because वो थोड़ा सा कम crowded है. Guys, I'm obviously back home and today's day was really fun and eventful as you saw in the vlog. Firstly, let's talk about the food and the cafe. It was actually pretty good. All the cafes at Khan Market are comparatively smaller. It's like egg room type mein bana diya hai. But anyway, the most important thing is the food. But the thing over there is that all of the cafes are a specific cuisine type. Most of them were either Italian or Pan-Asian. So that's also something. But anyway, overall a great experience. And then we went to the Lodi Art Colony and that was pretty amazing. All of the paintings were so freaking cool. Just loved the vibe there. And I think it's definitely a place you should visit with your friends, especially the ones who are actually interested in clicking pictures because only then it will work out. But wahan pe I saw so many like bloggers, influencers, models, etc. You know, clicking pictures with professional DSLRs and all of that. But otherwise also the paintings are amazing and you can go there for pictures. Why not? I literally saw like 2 people making like a real dance or something and that was pretty amusing. Overall, I would definitely recommend it to you guys. And now here I am with a package from Nykaa. We ordered some random stuff. So I thought let's just unbox this together. I really love doing all of these unboxing things even though they are like the simplest of items, but maza aata hai. As expected, these are nail polishes. So there are 4 nail polishes here and let me show you the colors. There's a green, a grey, a pink and this really pretty sort of holographic color. I'm actually very eager to use this one. Looks really pretty. So I got these 3 from Lakme and this one's from Swiss Beauty. But yeah, that's it for my mini haul. And then raat ko at 10:30 this happened. All our family friends came to celebrate my mom's birthday. And yeah, that was a day well spent. If you've made it till here, comment these emojis and thank you so much for watching this vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends. Follow me on Instagram and until next time, bye.